seeing repeating numbers, why it happens, what it means, and how to use it for real change. At some point, almost everyone begins noticing repeating numbers. 1111, 222, 333, 1212. They appear on clocks, receipts, license plates, phone numbers. At first it feels random, then it feels intentional. Then the question arises, is this a sign? Before we jump to mystical conclusions, let's do something more powerful. Let's understand what is happening in the mind and then learn how to use it for growth instead of superstition. Because the truth is this, repeating numbers are not about magic. They are about attention, awareness, and direction. And when used correctly, they can become tools for transformation. Why you see repeating numbers. The human brain is a pattern detection machine. Your survival once depended on recognizing patterns, footprints in the dirt, changes in the sky, familiar sounds in the forest. The mind evolved to scan constantly for repetition. This is called pattern recognition bias. Once something becomes emotionally meaningful, your brain tags it as important. After that, it starts filtering reality through that tag. You don't suddenly see more 1111. You become more aware of it. It's similar to when you think about buying a specific car. Suddenly you see that car everywhere. The cars were always there. Your perception shifted. The mind does not show you reality. It shows you what it thinks matters. That's powerful because it means your inner focus shapes your outer awareness. The spiritual layer without losing ground. Now here's where people either become grounded or drift into fantasy. Repeating numbers often show up during periods of change, uncertainty, or awakening. Why? Because during transition, your awareness is heightened. You're scanning for confirmation. You're seeking direction. You're paying attention more closely. Numbers become symbolic anchors. They feel synchronistic because your internal state is searching for meaning. This doesn't make the experience false. It means you are participating in it. Synchronicity is the intersection between inner focus and outer observation. The universe may not be sending you numbers, but your state of consciousness is selecting them, and that's where your power lies. How the mind creates patterns. Your brain runs on neural pathways. The more you think something, notice something, or assign meaning to something, the stronger that pathway becomes. When you see 333 and think this means alignment, your brain strengthens the association between the number 333, the concept of alignment, the emotion you feel when you notice it. Over time, the number itself triggers the emotion automatically. This is conditioning. And here's the breakthrough. You can intentionally condition your mind. Instead of passively reacting to patterns, you can consciously assign meaning that strengthens your growth. Your mind is programmable. Most people just don't program it on purpose. The danger of passive